To my channel. So today we are going to discuss some important points what happened in today's market. So let's get started. So you could see this is overall sideways indication. When you check for stocks, banking stocks are positive while Reliance was doing its profit booking. Okay, now we'll go individual charts. We'll start with Nifty. Sorry, I'm not feeling well. So we will have a small comparison between the month August as well as September. So here you go. This is August month and here is the September month start. Okay, so week 1. So these 1 to 3 is basically the shift of expiry to Tuesday. Okay, so again 1 to 3 starts here because we are having a Tuesday expiry from Thursday. Okay, for Nifty 50. Pretty simple here. Support is pretty good, resistance is pretty strong, and this fall was because of the USA news. Okay, now market is trying to do a recovery. This is the simple price action for Nifty 50. Okay, now we'll move on. We'll check Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, clearly you could see September month it is being sideways. Now we'll quickly go to the pre-open. So we'll start with the equity. So when you check, M&M has doing its profit booking, Bajaj Finance 4 and Apollo Hospital 2% up. On the negative side, we have HDFC Life, Tata Consumers and IndusInd Bank 2 to 1% down. When you check for pre-open market, it was definitely a big gap up for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty also it is gap up because we are getting positive response based on the US news. So our markets are trying to react to it, so it's slowly going up. Okay, so that is the bullish move, and let's see what FII has to tell. So this is FII chart basically, and then we are trying to concentrate here. Okay, because these guys have huge money and these people are called as smart money. Okay, now definitely here sell is more than buy. 18 versus 206. Call short is resistance, put short is support. So here clearly resistance is more than support. You could see 47 versus 30 or 29. Okay, when you check for stocks, here also you could see sellers are more than buyers. Okay, so just the futures is enough for stocks, we wouldn't bother more. Okay, now we would go and check for the news for this week in the Sensible website. So we don't have any holiday this month. And you check for stocks for 5th, we don't have any news, and for 5th here we have some USA news which is going to reflect on the market for tomorrow evening. Okay, so here is the Nifty. So clearly more resistance is there despite having the gap up. In the overall positions it looks slightly sideways, but when you check for monthly positions, put writers are more. For Bank Nifty, clearly sideways day, then sideways total. And Finnifty and Midcap Nifty, you can do it by yourself, similar pattern. Okay, now we'll try to do the straddle part. Okay, so let's do the price action versus straddle. So first off, we are having the Nifty here. So this is 1 hour chart, and then you could clearly see this is the high, this is the low day range, and when you check for open for 4th, it's 950. So we have to improve the count. Let's take 950, yellow line. I'll unselect all the other lines, and this was a long straddle day. Okay, so long straddle day, and then let's calculate the long straddle profit. Okay, we'll take an approx value. So open, let's take 200, and close we'll take 60 points, 260. So definitely the positive decay is positive 60 points from the long straddle perspective, and one lot is 75. It might be wrong. Okay, so let's do via calculator. Okay, 60 times 75, so 4500. Yes, it's right answer, plus tax and brokerage. So it's a very good profitable trader for the buyers. Okay, so if you would have bought here and sold here or here, it was definitely a positive trade. Okay, so that's it guys. We'll move on to bank nifty. Bank nifty open, when you check, it is 54,300. Okay, the blue line, and this was definitely a positive trade. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.